Hello students, coordinate geometry, some extra concepts I want to introduce to you. In our intermediate, the important concept is straight lines. I will give some formulas which is related to the straight lines. That concepts related to the IIT and Polytechnic also. Once listen to the concepts carefully and write down the notes. Straight lines. Straight line, general form of a straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of a straight line. Here a, b and c are constants. X and y are variables. Should remember the general form. And general form of a straight line whose slope m and y intercept is c is y equal to mx plus c. This is the formula when slope and y intercept has given. The general form of a straight line is y equal to mx plus c. About this topic we will discuss in the next video. And next concept is two intercept form. The general form of a straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Transpose c to the RHS plus c converted into minus c. Then ax plus by equal to minus c. Divide by minus c on both sides. Here minus c on both sides. Then ax plus by minus c. I am dividing the LHS and RHS by minus c here. LHS by minus c and RHS by minus c. Then minus c gets cancelled. RHS is 1. LHS is ax by minus c and by minus c. No change. Next step. This a I written in the denominator, that is minus c by a. This a written as minus c by a. This is one application. And by minus c written as y by minus c by b. The denominators you should observe x by minus c by a plus y by minus c by b equal to 1. Next one. The same step I written here. The graph we will discuss after completion of the x-intercept and y-intercept. This minus c by a is called x-intercept, x denominator. Minus c by b is called y-intercept, that is y denominator. These are the formulas you should remember. X-intercept equal to minus c by a. Y-intercept equal to minus c by b. When ax plus by plus c equal to 0, straight line. What is intercept? What is x-intercept? What is y-intercept? Intercept is, x-intercept is, already we discussed about this is the origin. The length between, this is the line which intersects the coordinate axis, that is x and y axis. This line intersects the x axis here. This is called x-intercept. This length is called x-intercept. And the same process will be for the y axis also. This line intersects the y axis at this point. The distance between origin to this point is y-intercept. That is the meaning of intercept. Next one example problem I taken here. Find x and y intercepts of a line 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. First, given straight line is 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. And same 3x plus 2y minus 6 I transpose it to this side, that is minus 6 converted into plus 6. Divide by 6 on both sides, same previously what the steps that we done, the same steps will be repeating here. 3x plus 2y LHS and RHS is 6. I divided by 6 here. 3x by 6 plus 2y by 6 equal to 6 by 6. Next, 3 1s and 3 2s gets cancelled, and 2 1s and 2 3s gets cancelled. And here resultant is x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 6 by 6 is 1. X denominator is called x-intercept and y denominator is called y-intercept. Now the x-intercept is 2 and y-intercept is 3. This is the way, the process that you are doing when intercepts x and y intercept, to find out the x and y intercept of a straight line. By using the formula also we can easily find out the x and y intercept of a straight line. Already we discussed that formula, x intercept equal to minus c by a and y intercept is minus c by b. The same problem I taken here, 3x plus 2y minus 6 solution. First compare the given line with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, that is NL form of a straight line. After comparing that, in place of x coefficient is a, here x coefficient is 3, that is a equal to 3. Y coefficient is b, here y coefficient is 2, that is b equal to 2. Compare that coordinates, compare the x and y coefficients, and here constant c and here constant minus 6, so c equal to minus 6. After finding the a, b and c values, then take the formula x-intercept is minus c by a. Substitute the a, c and a values here. In the formula itself we have minus sign. X-intercept is minus, this is the formula minus. C value is minus 6. Minus sign is there, so I kept brackets here. Minus of minus by a is 3. Minus of minus 6 by 3. Minus of minus, minus into minus, plus 6 by 3. That is 3 1s, 3 2s gets cancelled. So x-intercept equal to 2. Y-intercept is minus c by b. Formula minus c by b. Same process. Minus of, in place of c, minus 6 is there. By b is 2. Minus into minus plus 2 1s, 2 3s are there. Then y-intercept is 3. This is another method. By using the formula, we can easily find out the x and y intercept. Practice. After listening to this video, practice these problems. Find x and y intercepts of a straight line minus 3x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. And say minus 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Minus 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. And 3x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Practice all these problems after listening to that video. In the next class, I will discuss about the slope intercept formula by using the formula and example problem. Thank you, students. If you are having any doubts, then you can contact.